If I had stayed here for a few more days, I would have sure fallen forever in love with the beaches and beach life here in Bali. तो फिर नूसा पेनेडा और गिली आइलैंड्स की खूबसूरती को अपने कैमरे और अपने यादों के संदूक में पैक करने के बाद इट वाज टाइम टू चेक आउट नॉर्दर्न बाली। और क्योंकि पहाड़ों से इश्क काफी पक्का है तो इसीलिए समंदर से दोस्ती के बाद आई लैंडेड इन द टाउन ऑफ उबुद which has so much to explore that it leaves you asking for more. तो फिर मैंने उबुद में अपनी सफर की शुरुआत की फेमस मंकी फॉरेस्ट से। Hello. So here we are, monkey forest, famous monkeys of Ubud. There's a whole forest with many species of trees and of course monkeys. Be a little careful. Do not try to go very near to them or touch them. And before I go, I have to pay an entrance fee of about 70-75 idea here. Let's go. The Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary basically एक nature reserve है where you find more than 100 different species of trees और जो कि 1200 से भी ज्यादा long tail macaque monkeys का घर भी है and they are considered extremely sacred by the local Balinese people. आपको यहाँ ये बंदर यूं घूमते फिरते खाते आराम फरमाते मिल जाएंगे and surprisingly they don't bother you much. But the most fun part here is certainly the monkey selfie. The monkey business is very much in here. The monkeys know very well what to do, when to do. They're so well trained. You just need to make them feed and well, the monkeys are quite friendly. They're very well trained and they don't even try to do anything to you until you look them into the eye or try to touch them or feed them. So if you're here, do not try to feed them because that's what the officials do. It's their job. They're trained to do that. Do not take the risk, otherwise they're going to harm you definitely. So overall, they're very friendly. So there's nothing to worry about. There's nothing to get scared of. They do not trouble you at all. So that's a temple in the complex in the monkey forest that we're going to right now. After a good 1 hour exploring the sacred monkey forest, मैंने रुख किया उबुद शहर से कुछ दूर बाली के मशहूर राइस फील्ड्स की तरफ, जहां पहुंचते ही एक अलग सा सुकून महसूस होता है. Well, on a trip to Bali, this is for sure in the bucket list of every traveler. For thousands of years, the Balinese people have been growing rice, which is their staple food, and cultivating these beautiful rice terraces. और यहाँ 3 तरह के चावल उगाए जाते हैं, ब्लैक, व्हाइट एंड रेड राइस. हालांकि पूरे एशियन रीजन में बहुत सी सुंदर राइस फील्ड्स हैं, लेकिन बालिनीज राइस टेरेसेस को यूनिक बनाता है इनका सुबाक इरिगेशन सिस्टम, which even made it to the UNESCO World Heritage Site. This subak system is based on Trihita Karna philosophy, a part of Balinese culture, which basically consists of 3 principles: harmony among people, harmony with nature, and harmony with God. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. और जाने से पहले लाजमी था कि यहाँ इतनी दूर आकर बाली की फेमस स्विंग्स को एंजॉय किया जाए. So I had a good dose of swing, enjoying the beautiful view in front of me, and it's one thing you shouldn't miss when you're here. And from here, it was time to get down to one of the most visited waterfalls in Bali. वैसे तो बाली में और भी बहुत खूबसूरत exotic waterfalls हैं, but then they are distance apart and I had just a day with me, so I settled down visiting this waterfall, which indeed was a very welcoming change in the humid weather, and I thoroughly enjoyed my time here.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh.
Call it Pura Goa Gajah. Pura, this means of temple. Goa, this means the cave, that the cave over there. And Gajah means elephant. Elephant, cave, temple.
So that's the entrance of the main temple. Goa means cave. So we are entering Goa Gajah.
Three manifestations of the god. Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. Brahma, creator, Vishnu, protector, Shiva, destroyer.
There's so much Indianness out here. You don't miss India much because most of them are Hindus here in Ubud, and you see Indian temples, ancient history.
So that's the symbolic version of 7 rivers, Saptah Ganga, that they call it here. 3 here and 3 there, and the middle one is broken. So Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, and the rest of the Indian rivers that they call. Basically for purification, that's considered holy water.
Next morning before leaving Ubud, I went to check out the Water Lotus Temple, जहाँ ज़्यादा कमल के फूल तो देखने को नहीं मिले, but the temple architecture and ambience is sure an attraction.
Interestingly, they have a lot of temples here in Ubud, but strangely, all of them are closed for visitors. Even this one is closed. Even all other temples are closed. Same was the case with Uluwatu temple. Maybe they don't want outsiders to visit their temples. Maybe outsiders may not follow norms.
My Bali holiday experience was indeed memorable. अपनी एक हफ्ते की इस ट्रिप को मैंने तो डेफिनेटली बहुत एंजॉय किया. Hope you too had a good time with me. See you very soon. Till then, happy traveling.